Let's explore on how to transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal. So let's begin. Okay, so if you haven't done so, I suggest you create an account here in Coinbase and on PayPal. So here in PayPal, you have the options to create a personal account or a business account. And once doing that, all you're gonna do is log in using your credentials. And we need to link our PayPal account to Coinbase first. That's the first step we need to do. All right. So we need to complete all identity document verification steps and that your country of residence is correct. And from that, your account settings, click that, click on payment methods, add a payment method. And of course, you need to select PayPal and you will be prompted to log into PayPal. That's why if you haven't done so, create both accounts here on Coinbase and PayPal. It's important if your PayPal email does not match your Coinbase email, you'll need to complete the two-factor authentication on Coinbase for security purposes. Now, your PayPal's account's country must match your Coinbase account country, and you can link only your PayPal account to one Coinbase account at a time, alright? Now, to add a different PayPal account, you must first unlink your previous one on file. And also for US customers, you'll need to have a valid payment method like a bank account or a debit card linked to your PayPal account to buy cryptocurrency or add cash through your PayPal account. Prepaid cards, business cards, and credit cards linked to your PayPal account are not currently supported by Coinbase. Alright? Once again, if you'd like to change your payment method, you'll first need to unlink your PayPal account from Coinbase. Now, in case you want to unlink your, let's say, PayPal to your Coinbase, all you're gonna do is go to settings, payment methods, delete, and log into PayPal to select another payment method. If you're using a mobile device, go to settings, tap on PayPal account /remove, and then log into PayPal to select another payment method. Alright? Now, here's what we need to do to transfer money from Coinbase to your PayPal account. When you log in, alright, and since we already linked our PayPal to Coinbase, these withdrawals are not only fast, they're free and incur no fees. Right? Then what we need to do next is simply withdraw. Alright? As you see it, enter the amount. Once you've done that, click done, and that's it. You'll be able to withdraw and transfer money from your Coinbase to PayPal. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in our next video.